today.
What's inside?
Fucking gun.
Oh shit.
I don't know what gun is it.
Oh shit.
Take a look. What the fuck? Yo, what the hell?
Get that shit open.
What? No, I opened my knife first.
Oh shit.
What the hell?
What is that?
High cap. Like I said. It's a field guy.
I want to see the gun. Fuck that shit.
Yo, look at that shit. Yeah. Yeah, look at that shit. Yeah.
Oh, she looks good.
That's a gun right there.
Where's the gun?
Right there. That's a gun.
Open that shit up.
Right. Oh, let's see what's it.
Oh shit, Black Ops 2. Fuck.
Oh, it's an M4. Oh shit. What's that? Fucking M4. Oh, bro. Shit. That face, what's that my gun?
It's what?
What's that my gun? That face, that plastic.
You fuck people up with this.